Welcome to the ASP.NET Web Developer Mastery video with Generative AI Integration. This professional certification program lets you master the complete stack from C# backend to React frontend, building enterprise-grade applications with modern AI tools. It includes 6 certifications in partnership with IBM, IIT Patna, and BIT, and offers 100% placement support. Our program roadmap offers a comprehensive curriculum designed to build job-ready full-stack developers. You will master modern ASP.NET Core, full-stack development, and database mastery. The curriculum also integrates generative AI, includes real-world projects, and offers a 6-certificate pathway for recognized credentials. This course is offered in strategic partnership with IBM as our technology partner, providing global brand recognition and digital badges. IIT Patna Vishwasan iHub Foundation is the academic partner, ensuring academic credibility and rigorous evaluation. BIT Baroda is the delivery partner, offering expert instructors and dedicated placement support. Choose your path from flexible learning options, front-end development, back-end ASP.NET, or full-stack development. Front-end is best for creative minds, focusing on React, JS, and UI/UX. Backend is ideal for problem solvers, focusing on C#, .NET Core, and APIs. Full stack covers both and is best for product builders. The curriculum is divided into 7 key modules. You'll start with foundations like Git and Linux basics, move to front-end essentials like React, and then master C# Core and the ASP.NET Core backend framework. The final stages cover data access, AI integration, and practical capstone projects. Module 1 focuses on C# programming fundamentals, covering core syntax, object-oriented programming or OOP mastery, and advanced features like LINQ and async/await. Emphasis is also placed on quality assurance, clean code standards, and setting up the development tools. Module 4 dives into ASP.NET Core and MVC development. You will learn core architecture essentials, the MVC and Razor patterns, application logic including dependency injection, and building robust RESTful APIs. Security and performance for production readiness are also covered. The Data Persistence Layer module covers databases, ADO.NET, EF Core, and SQL. You will master SQL Server basics, use ADO.NET for low-level data access, and leverage Entity Framework Core as a modern ORM. The module also focuses on design patterns and query performance optimization. The advanced module covers generative AI in web development. This includes core use cases like intelligent chatbots, API and service integrations, and RAG architecture for context grounding. We also look at AI in UI/UX, quality control, and the critical aspects of ethics and responsibility in AI. The learning pathway includes LED training, access to the IBM BIT LMS portal, and a robust support system with live doubt solving and one-on-one mentorship. Assessments include module quizzes and live coding. The placement pathway features resume preparation, mock interviews, and job referrals. Market analysis shows high demand for skilled .NET developers in India, with entry-level salaries ranging from 4 to 8 LPA and mid-level earning 8 to 18 LPA or more. In-demand skills include ASP.NET Core, generative AI, and cloud, with opportunities across key industries and major metros like Bengaluru and Pune. You will build a robust portfolio with 5 capstone projects, including an e-commerce app and an AI chatbot. The program offers a 6-certificate pathway, including 4 professional certificates from IBM and 2 advanced accreditations from IIT Patna and BIT Baroda. Why choose this course? It offers an accredited pathway with 6 certificates, flexible learning modes, and access to the comprehensive IBM BIT LMS portal. You'll benefit from expert mentorship, dedicated placement support, and strategic career guidance tailored to your goals. Ready to start your journey? Enrollment is a simple 4-step process. Visit our website or call/WhatsApp us for counseling and path selection. Secure your spot in our new cohort starting soon and gain 6 professional certificates, IBM/IIT Patna content, capstone projects, and a placement pathway.